Okay, so first we started off by researching Moonpig's business model. I put this straight into chat just to get this going quickly. So Moonpig operates a digital-first business model centred on personalised greeting cards, gifts and experiences, primarily serving the UK and the Netherlands. So financial performance, revenue in the fiscal year ending April 2024, Moonpig reported revenue of £341.1 million, marking a 6.6% increase from the previous year. Sales volume, customers placed 33.9 million orders. So that goes to show that kind of these personalised greeting cards and gifts are very popular. Then into the customer demographics, so age distribution, under 35s 40%, 35 to 55 36%, over 55 24%. Gender split, female 59%, male 41%. Geographic, United Kingdom 82%. So technology, personalisation tools, the AI integration, which I checked and it does have, I'll show you that in a second. It then has subscription services, corporate gifting and experiences segment. So that's a good start to the research. Why is the personalised card market so huge? The personalised card market is huge because it taps into something deeply human, the universal need for connection, emotion and individual expression. Here's why it exploded. People crave personal, meaningful gestures. A personalised card feels more thoughtful than a generic one. It shows the sender put time and effort into something just for you. In a world full of quick texts and social DMs, a real personalised card cuts through the noise. Emotional gifting. Cards are often tied to emotional milestones, weddings, birthdays, new babies, losses, achievements. Personalising those moments turns the card into a keepsake, not just a product. Moonpig's data show customers buy repeatedly because they associate cards with emotional wins. Technology makes it easy. Click, personalised post. The end product is still a physical, tangible impact that digital messages can't replicate. So that may be a downside to the poems because we're not actually giving them a physical item. It's a form of self-expression. People don't just want to say happy birthday, they want their version of it. Personalised cards let people be funny, heartfelt, cheeky, romantic, whatever fits their style and relationship. Gifting is evolving. Personalisation wins. So that's a good win for us there. Generic gifts are out. Tailored experiences are in. So this is a good one. Card that feels crafted just for the receiver fits perfectly in today's gifting trends. Millennials and Gen Z value authenticity. Younger generations put huge value on authenticity and unique experiences over mass-produced stuff. Personalised card feels authentic, bespoke, story-driven. And then, of course, you've got the global occasions, birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or anniversaries, graduations. So personalisation fits into every single one of them. In short, personalisation equals human connection and emotional memory and self-expression, all made scalable through tech. That's why companies like Moonpig, Thoughtful, Funky Pigeon and even Amazon are investing big into this space. Interesting that Amazon are investing as well. Who do they target when advertising? So primarily millennial women aged 25 to 40 is a significant focus for Moonpig's marketing efforts. Millennial mums, mothers balancing family and work responsibilities, aligns with their behaviour, especially for family orientated occasions. Young adults, approximately 40% of Moonpig users are under 35, indicating a strong appeal among younger consumers who value convenience and personalisation. So that's a positive for us. Convenience and personalisation is exactly what these poems are about. Busy professional and family shoppers, often juggling work and family commitments. So this, again, convenient pops up again there, convenient gifting solutions. So we've got the demographic split again, advertising channels, key marketing focus, personalisation, emphasis on personalised customer journeys and product offerings to enhance user experience and loyalty. Okay, so I came into Moonpig, and Moonpig have got this smart text option. What would you like to say? So they've got their own AI tool. In a few words, what would you like your message to include? Some ideas for this are name, age, the occasion, the tone of the message, and a fact you want mentioned. So this will generate an automated message for us. So Moonpig have got this inbuilt. Important to note, they have only got 200 character limit. So if we can make the poems longer than 200 characters so people can expand on it, then that's going to be a unique selling point for us as well. Okay, as I said, I wanted this to be really quick, easy and simple, so I thought the best way to do that is to create a product in Stripe and then just have a payment link. So come over to Stripe, go to product catalogue. As you can see, we've got the product here. I'll just show you really quickly how to create a product from scratch. So you type in the name of what you're doing, the description here, this is blah 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 blah. If you want to upload an image, you can. Select the payment option, so this is a one-off payment and the amount we're charging was £10. Add product and your product appears in your list. Okay, and then to create the payment link, you come under payments, payment links. As you can see, we've got this one here active. To start a new one, just go to new. Add the product that you've already made in your product category. If you want to let customers choose more than one, why not? They might want a couple of different ones, so I'd suggest selecting that, or if not, if they can only have one, obviously don't take that. And then just under this advanced options down here, you can click add custom fields. So here, this is where we're asking the different questions. So name, add another field, occasion, add another field, still can't spell occasion, and then another field, and all other info. And that's about it. It shows you a little example here of what their checkout page will look like. And then just off screen here, there's a button that says create link. Okay, and then this is my link live. So you've got the title, the amount, the description, the email address, the recipient and occasion. And then I just thought I'd explain out as well who it's for, what it's for, experience details, what to reveal, and any other info. And then you can see they can easily pay and pay. Okay, so after the Stripe product was created, I came into Canva to design my first Facebook post. So this was the first page, like the call out, struggle to find the perfect words, calling out the customer. Have you ever thought, I want to say something special, but I don't know how to put it into words. So then you've got the automatic yes to that. And then here's the solution. And this is what it's useful for. Then I thought to myself, actually, it might be a good idea to include some examples. So these are chat automated examples that I put my prompt into and asked chat to just generate some ideas. I think I'm going to go back though, and in future posts when I'm promoting this, use actual my real life examples that I've already done. But for example, more of the case study, the customer, who it's for, the occasion, the special details and the tone, and then the poem that they received. Again, another one, husband to wife, so just showing how kind of flexible this is and who can use it. And then again, another one, friend to mate. So these were all to go on the Facebook post. Okay, and then come over to Facebook and made the post. So this was my kind of call out text, ever struggle to find the perfect words for someone you love. So again, calling out the customer first. If you've ever wanted to say, and then I give 3 different bullet points that they can actually say yes to, so you're qualifying them first, then this is for you, this is my solution. So we've got who it is for, their problem, and then this is their solution. Get a personalised poem, speech or verse for any occasion, written in hours. Fully personalised poems based on your words, your memories, your stories, your fun facts. Delivered straight to your email in under 24 hours. Want to point out the full 24-hour thing because I was worried that if people placed an order overnight and I'd said they'd get it within a few hours, then I wouldn't be able to send them the poem until the morning. So just a little disclaimer there to kind of cover my back a little bit. Whether you need birthday laughs, wedding tears or a heartfelt tribute, we've got you. Perfect for, again, telling them what it's good for, the different categories. Now we're telling them how to do it. Just tell us who it's for, the occasion, a few details and the tone, and we'll craft a poem so personal it'll feel like you wrote it. And then imagine them, put them in the moment, kind of evoke some emotions here. And then we've got the link to our Stripe account, product, and they can go straight through to buy that. Only £10. Plus, as a bonus, they get 3 unique poem variations to choose from. So hopefully that will make them think, wow, that's value for money. 3 different versions for only £10. And again, just another final call to action and the link again. Here's the Canva picture and the 3 examples. Okay, and then as you know, overnight we pivoted to not birthdays anymore, but to unique gifting experiences. So when they're gifting an experience like a city break, a weekend away, a fun experience that's not physical, then this would help them to present it. So back into Canva, and I created this kind of more of a video carousel just so it looked a little bit more professional. People love kind of the video aspects now on the posts, so I kind of tried to tell the story through these little Canva clips. Okay, and then I'll just show you the updated post in Facebook. So we changed the wording in the text slightly. Again, we've still got the call out, but now it's ever struggle with how to actually give an experience as a gift. We've got the 3 problems. You've spent hours planning the perfect trip, day out or adventure for someone you love. You know the experience itself will be unforgettable, but when it comes to giving it, you've just got a booking on your phone, or you have to tell them without any magic or build-up. Sound familiar? If you've ever felt that this deserves something more, then a personalised reveal poem is made for you. Your words, your story, your memory. A heartfelt, rhyming reveal that drops clues and hints along the way. And by the end, they discover the surprise you've been secretly planning for them. Not just a gift, a story. Not just a present, a moment. Not just a ticket, a moment they'll treasure forever. And the best part, you get to watch their face light up as the story unfolds, priceless. Again, just evoking a little bit of emotion in there as well. Perfect for, so it's literally spelling out what it's perfect for and what it can be used for, or just to make memories. What you'll get: a beautiful personalised reveal poem written just for your special experience gift. Again, 3 unique variations delivered to your inbox in a few hours. Tip: print it out, write it inside a card, roll it up like a treasure map, pop it in a box or envelope and watch the magic double. So telling them how they can use it. You've already planned the perfect experience. For just £10, you can make the moment they receive it just as unforgettable. So kind of just actually saying, well, you've spent all this time planning this great trip, this great experience as the gift, and then you still need to kind of gift it in a way that's going to be magical. So these poems will do that for you. And then again, the link to the Stripe product. Here's the video that we made, and that just plays through.